Myntri Rangbah ke Jilla Meghalaya Konrad Konggal Sangma, but Myntri Rangbah ke Jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma, Hagajing don rengkat Myntri ke kampo yang ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah, kiladep bansoi ke Soskular Jing menjur, halor ke Jing Pynbeit Put Usam na ke Bynta kin riu tili ke Jaka, badon ke Jing kaja Hapdeng ki ar Jilla, ki bakan thup ke Tara Bari, Gizang, Hahim, Kibana West Khasi Hills District, Nangta ka Khanapara, Pilangkata, Bakhlapara na Ribhoi District, Barka Rata Chera na Jaintia Hills District. Habakran bakila pathai khubor na kaliang Myntri Rangbah ke Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma, ulayathu bana kaliang ki arngut ki Myntri Rangbah kiladap Iasoi ka Soskular Jing menjur, Hapdeng ka Jilla Assam barka Jilla Meghalaya, halor ka Jing Pynbeit Put Usam, Hagajing don lang Myntri ka kampo yang ka Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah, kabakane ka long ka bansa Jingkan Mau, Naka Bynta ka Jilla Meghalaya, barka Jilla Assam, namar bakane ka de ka mat ka belasa teng la sanpo nem, bat menta lala ban shim ka senjam ka ba kongsan ka ban la ban weng shirta ikini gijing e.
Today we have signed the agreement between Assam and Meghalaya in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister, and it's a historic day for the people of Meghalaya and Assam both, and for the Northeast region as a whole, because a 50-year-long dispute which has been there and the areas of differences which have been there, we have taken a major step towards finding a permanent solution to those problems. And we have signed today, agreed on 6 locations based on the MOU that was signed between Assam and Meghalaya on the 29th of January. And we will continue to work to finding solutions to the next 6 locations in the areas of differences that are there. At this point in time, I would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for his guidance and for his leadership. It was on his direction that both the state governments came together and took this matter up in a very serious manner. And so I thank him. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all the work that has been done from Assam government side. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion. And this would not have been possible without the hard work that has been put up by the committee members of both the states as well as the officials from both the states. So it's indeed a very historic day, and this is the best solution, as I said, that we have come up with. And we're hopeful that we'll be able to further work on the rest of the 6 areas of differences and come to a solution on those areas also in a very limited time. We will try to do our best to find a solution the fastest.